Yeah, I'm recording this section. So here we are doing the sectional view, and here in this sectional view now we will be seeing the holes part. Okay, whole here in the below figures as shown here, you can see the cursor right here. In the cursor, if you see here, the below sectional view of the object that contain 3 holes. Here we can see the 3 holes, but as it the orthographic view of the conical part, and that includes the holes, so do not completely present the object. So here we can't see that object after the cutting part. We can't see that object completely, right? Yes. So if we can't see that object completely, so what we are doing means must include do not completely present that object. Okay. So here the common mistakes for the omit and the back edge of the hole that were drawing the sectional view. The sectional view is a hole drilled throughout the object should be included in the straight line. Here the sectional view should be in a straight line and across the top to bottom edge, and view the representing to the batch edge hole. So whatever the hole it is, whatever the thing, the sectional view, it should be the straight line parallel to the axis, right? You can see here as if they are showing the sectional view part. What are the shaded part? That is what part? Yes, anyone can answer that. What that shaded part is called? That is the sectional view part. Okay. So following figures are the constants. Yeah. Okay. Admit them. Indu. Okay. So these are the holes of this section, and it is what it is doing. It is counterbore, countersink, spot face, boss, and hole. So these are the holes. With these holes, you are able to define like this. See, you can see the figure over here, or that holes if they cut, how can it will be shown. So these are the radius of 20, 40, and 20. You have the ma'am, it is not connecting. Who is this? Who is not connecting? And we have the types of sectional view. Yes, just wait a bit. Just wait a bit, ma'am. We have seen the types of sectional view. What are the sectional view here? Full section, half section, offset, align, remove, multiple, and broken out. We didn't see this align, remove, multiple, and broken out. Here for your syllabus, it is not needed. So it's not your headache to see this. You have only 3 sectional views. That is a full section, half section, and offset section. Okay, girls. So here we will be seeing what is the full section here. In this view, mating by the passing that the imaginary cutting plane completely through the object. Yeah, that passing imaginary cutting plane will be throwing completely through that object. All the hidden features are intersected by the cutting planes here and are represented by the visual lines. So it is represented by the visible lines. Okay, and the surface that touched by the cutting planes have the sectional line can drawn at the 45-degree angles. What angle they can draw? At the 45-degree angle. You can see here they have the object of that tub-like structure, like sink like structure, and you can see that is cut, and you can see that the inner part also, right? In that also standard multiple view, yes, you can see that what is the part. Okay, next there is a class activity for you girls. Here you have to show the object, whatever the whatever the figure it is. You have the third angle projection front view and the fully sectional right side view. You have to draw the fully sectional right side view. For you, this is a homework, girls. Take the screenshot of this and do this homework for you. This is today's homework for you, girls. Okay, and next, if we go to the next part, half and partial section view. Yes, half and partial section view. If you see there, the orthographic view, whatever it is showing, and a sectional view with the one view. The half sectional view is a half view of the sectional view. The other half is the normal orthographic view. So one will be the half sectional view and the other will be the other half sectional view, girls. And here the excluding the hidden lines. We will be excluding the hidden lines also. And here the cutting plane lines is drawn to the included and overheaded at one end of the other lines. You can see here there is a tube-like structure which we are cutting it half, and we can see the inner part. Even in the drawing also we can drawing that inner parts also in the half sectional view, front view, right? This is the front view and this is the top view, girls. Okay. So offset view. What is it? Offset view means that cutting plane lines and do not need to draw the straight lines across the surface of that object that may be stepped, and so far the features can be included in the sectional view. In this figure, below figure, they have shown the cutting lines that crossing two holes and directly visible to the open surface and that can contain a holes. And there is no indications in the sectional view that can be cutting that lines as if the offset. Okay, girls. Here you can see there is one box-like structure with the two circles in it, and we are cutting that at that circles, and we are saying that this is a sectional cut. You can see that the top view and in the front view, right? So the indication that cutting the planes changes the direction. So is the indicating how they're indicating that like that it is cutting that particle. Okay, so this is the off section. So whatever the cutting part is there, that part will be removed and the remaining part will be drawn. So here one more example for the offset drawing, right? This is the front view. Yeah, this is the object that will there, and the whatever the cut, this is the top view. So this is one offset example exercise for you girls. Take this example also for your homework. I may be checking these examples, girls. So aligned, okay, I won't as if you don't have the syllabus in the aligned, but for your awareness I'm just telling that I will be just giving the overview for what is the aligned, whatever the part it is. Okay, girls. Yeah. So this angle will be there and the circular shape will be aligned to the below given figure, and this whatever the preventing the foresorting that would be resulting in the views, and they will be projected to the original cutting planes like the locations. Okay, and the foreset view would be not present at the accurate picture of that object. Okay, you can see that whatever the align it is at the angle, it is on the defined angle it is. That's why it is aligned sectional view. Okay, just don't worry about that activity. I'm not giving you that activities. Okay, I just wanted to skip because it is not in your portion. Okay, but broken out section, they may ask in the short answer, so I will be better explain you girls. So broken out section view are used to show that the small internal portion of the object, and these broken lines are separated to the broken out, and these are the resting out of the orthogonal view. Okay, guys, girls, you are getting this? Girls, do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can just raise your hand. I can see that, and I will be stopping here and I will be explain what your draw is. Okay, so how to draw the broken lines. Okay, are you able to listen? Yes, are you able to listen, girls?
Ma'am.
Yes, Samskrita.
Madam, indaka screenshot తీసుకోలే madam.
Madam. Okay, wait. I will be sending this PDF now. Remember the class activity 1 and class activity 2 is there. Okay. Yeah, off your mic, girls. That would be better. Okay, thank you. And here the broken out section, how you will be drawing, type a sketch, response to that comment pro. Yeah, that is showing the CAD this thing. Okay, just don't care about the steps. We'll be doing in the CAD lab that thing. And the break. So what is the break is doing? Break along the continuous shape, and so that we can take the less drawing space. So with yeah, this is also the part of the CAD only. Just I'm skipping it, whatever the parts of the cats are there, I'm just skipping it and I will go to the further this thing. Okay, so see, you can see that is in a part of the AutoCAD. Yeah, we will be doing our AutoCAD also. I will be doing that. I will be explaining that one unit we are left off, that blocks. Yes, we have left out with that blocks. Yes, we completed our sectional view part. Do you have any doubt in the starting this thing? What is a sectional view, this thing? Do you want me to explain once again? Now you're okay. Yes, girls, I'm asking to you only, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you want me to explain the introduction part once again?
No, ma'am.
No? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, is it okay? So that I can continue it? So should I move to the third unit, girls? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Unit అయిపోయిందా ma'am?
Yeah. Yes, girls, off your mic. I am seeing that your mic is on so that I may get the disturbance. Okay, girls?